Alright guys, this is my new bike check. I previously had the black eye Mac. I'll show you it right here. This frame is terrible. Absolutely terrible. Do not get it. If you're wondering what that sound is, I pushed a ball bearing in my tube chainstay. I guess that, yeah. So yeah. Then it kind of cracked around that woodward right there. So I got a new frame, and here it is. It's the premium deathtrap frame. 21 inches, kink integrated headset, kink bottom bracket. That's pretty much what I have new on it. Nitrous back wheel, Eastern sprocket, Aaron Ross grips. Do not get them at all. No. Bad idea. 2 days ago, I almost broke my thumb twice because of 10 minutes of riding with gloves on, and they just sucked. I just went like that, and yeah, planning on getting the fit repeater grips. So I mean, that's my updated bike check. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe, and I'm going to put up my bike edit for the summer of 2011, and that's my bike, premium death trap.